How to use SanDisk Memory Zone app in just 2 minutes. Today I'm going to show you in this full beginner guide how you can organize, move, and back up your files so your phone storage stays clean and easy to manage. Start by installing the SanDisk Memory Zone app from your App Store and opening it. When it launches, allow access to storage and files. This permission lets the app scan your device and display photos, videos, documents, and other content in one place. Once inside, you'll see different storage sections such as internal storage, memory card, and cloud accounts if connected. Tap any section to view what's stored there. The layout helps you quickly understand which files are taking up the most space. To free up storage, open large files or folders and select the ones you want to move or delete. The app gives simple options to transfer files to a memory card or external storage. Confirm the action and the files will be relocated without needing extra steps. You can also back up important data. Choose the backup option, select the type of files you want saved, and pick the destination. This could be a memory card or a connected storage device. Once started, the app copies your file safely in the background. Another useful feature is file organization. Rename folders, group photos, and sort documents directly inside the app. Keeping everything arranged makes it easier to find files later. If your device supports it, connect a compatible external drive and open it through the app. You can transfer files between your phone and the drive in a few taps. This is helpful when moving large videos or freeing space quickly. When something does not appear, refresh the app or check permissions again. Storage apps rely on access to work properly, and enabling it usually resolves missing file issues. The app is designed to help you stay in control of your storage, keep important files backed up, and prevent your device from filling up unexpectedly. After learning where the main sections are and how transfers work, managing files becomes simple and much less time-consuming.